Okay, so for gold on D1, for PTips, what do we have? RSI is above 50, and then the dual Bollinger Bands. Prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands. All right. Okay, one thing I notice is this, though. I mean, the lows are getting higher. Okay. The highs, ugh, are getting lower. But since prices are crossing above it now obviously I don't see it as highs are getting lower. We will have to jot out a resistance line right there, which is a horizontal line. So we see an ascending triangle for that matter on D1 for gold, okay? All right. Let's take a look at H4. See if we see anything interesting. All right, H4, RSI is above 50 for PTips. Okay, the dual Bollinger Bands, prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands. Yes, it is. It's still above MA20, so considering it potentially more bullish. Okay, so essentially it is literally respecting this ascending triangle. Okay, so for a very confirmed bull is for the prices to go above this resistance. But if anything, it will be bouncing up and down within this triangle until it breaks above or below. Okay? All right, let's take a look at H1 and then we'll make a decision about how we're going to be trading. All right, on H1, it's literally confirming to us that it is stuck in a horizontal market or a ranging market. Okay, let's take a look at PTips first. RSI is above 50. Yes, it is. And then the dual Bollinger Bands, prices are between the top bands. It's not between the top bands. It's literally within the 1.0 deviation bands in a Bollinger squeeze. Okay. Bollinger squeezes are exciting just because once it breaks up above or below the squeeze, it's going to show us a trend. So basically, if prices are below or above the top bands, okay, then it basically means it's the trend direction. All right. So based on D1, okay, all the way down to H1, we're all pretty much stuck in the 1.0 deviation bands. Okay, so it literally is telling us that it will be trading in between the recent lows and then the recent highs. Okay, so prices are going to be bouncing up and down within this range. All right, so if I were to enter into a buy, then I would want to exit right when this where this resistance is. If I'm going to enter into a sell, then I would want to exit close to the bottom here. Okay, for now, since RSI are all above 50, I will still consider